Hi guys, welcome back to Goddess KC TV. Today is our 1 week update on our harvest garden. Yes, we will be viewing the pods that we harvested last week. And remember, they started from dirt. It was similar to this seeding system where it just has the dirt at the bottom. That's how all the rest of these pots are right here. All 6 of these. And now, let's see if we have any harvest, if we have any herbs. And we'll go over a few tips that I also found out when I was growing. So, let's go. Okay guys, so now we have our dome lid still on there, and per the instructions it said to take the domes off when the flowers or the pods start to reach about halfway. So this is overdue, but I wanted to wait to show you guys. This is the deal. And guys, I want you to get a look inside. It's showing a little mold in there, which is normal. I want you guys to see that. Okay guys, so if you see on this deal, it looks like there is a seed here. Right there, that little seed. And there's another one inside. You guys can't really see, but let me show you. See that seed right there? That's how the deal is growing. And I'm so happy. We're gonna leave the pods off. The next one we have is the curly parsley. And guys, the curly parsley, I'm looking at the bottom to see if I see any roots. I guess it's still going through its phase. Let's see if I can see inside of there. Oh, there is something. If you guys could see all the way down, you see a little, just a little pod. Maybe you can't see it, but I can see like a little seed or some, yeah. It's growing, it's coming guys. Also, there are different grow rates for each seed. Taking that one off for the time. And when we look at the time, we're gonna look at the bottom to see if we see any roots. And we don't see any roots coming out. And let's see if I can see down inside of the time. I don't see anything just yet happening in the time, but I'm sure it'll come. I have faith. Now, look at our Thai basil. You guys see the leaves at the tip have gotten a little brown because we had the dome on there. And let's see if we can see the roots in the Thai basil. Yes, we can. You see those roots right there. There's some more roots. Oh, look at that long little root, huh? So nice. I'm so happy, guys. It's growing about 4 stems on the Thai basil. So we're looking good. Now look at our lucky golden star. All of them are our golden stars, but this Genovese basil was said to be the first one to start to germinate. And look at the roots, guys. It's full throttle, like it's ready. Look at that. This, I think by next week, wow guys, I think it's gonna be like coming up at least to here or more. So the Genovese basil is nice, and it says oh well, all of them say tall. So oh, this one is tall, this one is tall, these are short. The time is short. The deal is tall as well. So now here's our mint, guys. Let's see what we have going on. Oh, look at the mint. It's something coming, finally. Okay, guys. So now we have our dome lid still on there, and per the instructions, it said to take the domes off when the flowers or the pods start to reach about halfway. So this is overdue, but I wanted to wait to show you guys. This is the deal. And guys, I want you to get a look inside. It's showing a little mold in there, which is normal. I want you guys to see that. So yes, the mint has to have its dome back on there since it is not reaching the halfway point of the dome. And the thyme also, we were not ready for that to come off. And also the curly parsley. So guys, just to let you know, a few quick tips is to understand that be brave and prune. Pruning does not hurt your plants, but we're not at that stage yet. The grow domes. Remove the grow domes before seedlings begin touching the dome. At that point, their job is done. Recycle and save for later. The water quality. Municipal tap water works well in most areas, but if you have really hard water or softened water, consider mixing bottled distilled water 50-50 at first with your tap water for best results. Then the light height. It says to keep the grow light 4 to 6 inches over plants. Your plants love all the light they can get. Usually, guys, I have the light right here, which is 4 to 6 inches. But as the plants begin to grow, I will continue to raise it. Like, that's the next step. Let's see. Then we'll go back right here. Then move up. Move up. But once it starts to like really start growing, I'm gonna take these out maybe in about 2 weeks from now, depending on how much they've grown. I'm gonna take these out and repot them. And I'm gonna also bring on a special guest to talk to you guys more about harvesting and growing all of your own fresh vegetables, herbs, and fruits. So yeah, basil is a classic example of a plant that sprouts within days and grows very tall quickly. So we have our Genovese basil, which is, in fact, as we see right here, guys, it is growing rather quickly. And look at those leaves. They're so thick and nice and healthy. And this is our Thai basil. So yeah, that's very true. The basils, the two basils are like really growing fast. If the grow light is raised just for the basil, it will take over the other plants and will not thrive. When it comes to basil, remember to prune early and often. So that's one key. I'm gonna have to remember to prune the basil. And the rinse and refill. Rinse and refill your water bowl monthly with fresh, cool water. Every other time you add plant food. Empty the water bowl, refill with fresh, cool water, and add recommended plant food. And this is the plant food, guys, that I will be showing you that I add next week. And you basically add the food according to this guide right here. And since we have 6 pods, we added 4 milliliters, which is, actually no, we added 2 capfuls, which is 8 milliliters to start. And we're gonna do that for every 2 weeks. So this is our first 1 week update. Next week, we'll start to give the plants food and to top off the water. So yes, guys, I'm gonna read some more as we go along and let you guys know what tips you need. And hopefully you guys can invest in a harvest garden, because I'm telling you, it is the best investment you can make for your life. I'm so excited because once, like I said, once I take these out, I'm going to start the next garden, the next harvest. And you see, guys, this is how much they can grow. Like, look at these. By next week, I think we should be right here. So this looks like week 1. That looks like week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, and week 6. I'm just estimating and taking a guess because they looks really short. Maybe that's week 2 and then it skips, but this is the order of growth. You can see. And at this point, I know my aunt would probably say those don't even need to be in there any longer. And this looks like about a 1 month, 3 to 4 weeks growth. And this just looks like it's just been growing for a while. So I'm excited to show you guys how things are going, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit the bell icon to stay updated. Like, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching.